Let me Michelle now. Let me Michelle let me make you know something. You ever hear them say when a lion asleep, if you make him sleep? You ever hear that term there?
Yeah, me hear it.
Alright, you ever hear say when you see a dragon asleep, you make him sleep?
Never hear that one there.
Alright. Cartel is a blood clot dragon.
Dragon sound like he's a old
mythical creature. Yes.
Yeah, but him old.
You see Cartel? Cartel is a myth to a lot of people. Because they never see a man do things with Cartel do. That's really number myth. One. He's a myth. See?
Really fucking myth, him not real.
No, relax now, let me explain to you. You see Mosquito now wake the sleeping dragon, bro. Because guess what? So when the dragon wake and the dragon go so when the dragon wake and he lift up his head so, I pay fire spit, bro. I be a fire spit. Watch this. Remember when Cartel just come from prison, you know? And in Jappy song say, I thought I told you that the comet is coming. Yo, you see a comet come for destroy, you know, bro. Anyhow, Cartel decide say, him a go answer Mosquito.